really doing this? Writing a script for a YouTube trailer? I mean, I think I have what it takes, but will I find the energy? Will people like me? Is my equipment good enough? What will people think? Is this gonna work? Will this pay off? I'm so busy all the time.
None of us know how much time we have, and taking that fact to heart can bring a resolve to not suffer over stupid things.
Let's do this. My name is Luke Milano, and like seemingly every other creator on YouTube, I used to skateboard. Long story short, I sucked, my friends were good, so I picked up a camera, yada yada yada, filmmaking is fun. I went to film school at UCF, where I proceeded to get straight A's but learned absolutely nothing useful. From there, with almost no credentials whatsoever, I weaseled my way into the world of multimedia and college athletics. After a handful of promotions and one big move across the country, I'm currently an assistant athletic director at a Division I school in Texas. We definitely don't have unlimited resources, but that taught me to strive, to constantly make the best of every situation. So if you're stuck in an ugly hallway on a rainy day with a really cheap lighting setup, you don't have to settle for cheap results. It also taught me to love the process of video editing, not just because editing doesn't require a ton of expensive equipment, but because piecing together the story can make or break a project. And last, I learned the importance of captivating people, because a crowd sitting still isn't the same as a crowd going nuts. By the way, UCF, I still got love for you. Those were 4 of the best years of my life. But your film program, man, that needs work.
I don't know why I fell. I didn't hit anything.
Yo, Lucas just ate shit.